Welcome to Leyte! Pakyan na kita kung diin ng mga waterfall nga diha papat nun. Tara na. What's up, dudes? This guy is Boy Blue, Baby Boy Blue, or Mano Samuel.
We have no gun, only this our gun.
He's gonna teach me how to use this. He's like the Steve Irwin of the Philippines. Yeah, Antito ni Shanta. Sige daw. So, paano yun?
Meet my crazy Filipino uncle, Mano Samuel Dela Pena, also known as Boy Blue.
Hoy, Boy Blue! Bawal umihi dyan! Bawal umihi dyan, Boy Blue!
He grew up here in the beautiful island of Leyte, and even though I speak to him in waray waray all the time, he only ever wants to speak English.
This dog, only one stone. If I hit this on this head, it will kill instantly.
He's an interesting sort of guy, doesn't like to receive gifts even though it's Christmas.
Di ako kalbo ito. Di ako ito.
Sige nga, Australia man.
Oh, bibisan pa. Di ako nag-helmet.
And just look at his Facebook profile photo.
Boy Blue, kaya ano amo iniimo profile picture?
Because I'm already fed up.
Fed up with what?
With their profile pictures, their beautiful wife, beautiful husband, beautiful car, beautiful house, on and so on and so on. I'm not... so I like unique.
Unique.
Defying action.
Unique man ito.
Yes.
Despite the weird things he does, Mano Samuel is actually very financially successful. He works as the chief engineer aboard ships that deliver to countries all over the world. And he is the only one in his family that has been able to travel all over the world.
Chief engineer.
Mano Samuel supports his entire immediate family with the wage that he earns. He spends most of his time living on the ship that he works on, away from home. Now today, Mano Samuel is going to show me how to live like a true provincial Filipino. Our first lesson, how to operate a homemade slingshot.
Bullet. Important is the bullet.
The bullet, okay.
Then, okay, go. So and I will escape behind you got mistake.
Amo ni?
Yeah, that's the right thing.
Tama? Okay.
No, not you.
Like that. Okay. Are you ready? Palpak.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, and okay, this one, the right thing. Don't be afraid. Okay, that's enough. Maybe you got mistake again. Yeah.
Sasantikon ko kamo.
Oh!
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg!
Our second lesson, how to make your own juice machine.
Boy Blue, ano ito?
This is compressor for the any kind of fruit. Pineapple, guava, mango, any fruit. Cover.
Tangan cover.
Oye. Okay, you drink now. You drink.
Ako na?
Yeah. This full of life.
Wow. Tamis Indoro.
Yeah,
Ano?
matamis.
Ikaw na, Boy Blue.
Okay, binasan mo.
Next, how to arm wrestle like a Filipino.
Samuel, mag-arm wrestling kita.
Sige na. Oh, sige. Oh.
Sige.
Oh, you stay there, so I will have to turn.
Sige. Karet.
Okay, you open also like this.
Sige.
Okay.
Our next lesson, how to win a game of chess every time.
Move your stone, the queen, direct to my king, and finished. And finished. So the only solution here, checkmate, so I'll die. So that I will not die, my queen will ride the horse and escape to this. Then all is finished.
And finally, the final test. How to survive in the wild.
Nga nga adlaw mag-adventure kita.
Boy Blue is taking us somewhere deep, deep in the jungles of Leyte.
This is a test of our life, man.
Red look.
Iyan?
Go fishing. This river is definitely not a tourist spot. Where are you taking us, Boy Blue?
Kita ito niyan, matila ito Edwin. Marasa
Pwede
ito.
ito kaunon.
Oo, marasa ito Edwin.
A voyage to the unknown. Parang nasa Vietnam tayo, no? Nasa digmaan tayo.
Oo, ano?
Hala, may tulay dida.
Boy Blue, tika man hindi niya tulay. Ay, nasumpain ano? Tagak Parina. Tagak nganin Parina. Wow, Boy Blue, mahusay no, Dwayne.
Nagbalyo kami hin driver. Dari na pahoy na yung Boy Blue. Boy Blue ako kita.
Ay, maaram na hiya din eh.
Ay, ito direct.
Fishnet pagod ito.
Wild duck.
Oh, wild duck. Oh, amo na din hiya mahusay.
The first one who come here,
Arani ay pa, arani na.
Australian. Any other nationality? You're only the first one.
Wow.
Since 1945 until now, you're the first foreigner to come here.
Wow, ang galing.
Ano?
Ayun. Malusad na kita. Gadi oho.
May dapa bagan, bago nga. Sensation.
Kasi bota dinala nyo.
Yan o.
Indian.
Sign man kita.
In the middle of Waray, they say.
Amin yan tuod nga jungle.
We will meet Chuck Norris.
Chuck Norris. Whoa! Oh. This is what I do. I don't usually go to the big famous tourist spots in the Philippines. I go to these weird places that no one knows about. Show you the real Philippines. Adi nakita ha halarong ang bukid. Halarong hinduro kita bukid yana. Mount Han Duende.
Oo.
Ang Duende ang naghimo.
Oo.
Tapos ang nagsigsig nun? May
May naukulan.
Lucky, this is lucky place.
lucky place?
Yeah, yes. The same in the kitchen, in your house kitchen.
So tungod kay nagkadihiya, swerte na kita.
Oo, hindi pa
swerte.
Dwayne.
Swerte.
Hindi pa Dwayne.
Oh, bulit.
Swerte.
Wow. Ano ini? Tae Han Duende. Naguro ang Duende.
Oo.
So many freaking makeshift bridges.
So after 30 minutes trekking through the jungle, we finally made it to a small clearing.
You see, Dwayne, you see, touch me not.
Yes.
Yes, touch me not. Yeah. That's the name, touch me not.
May diliwat kami suga dito Australia. Hosay man din hi ano.
Oo.
Hain pa kita magkadto.
Mga pa kita pito kasapad nga bukid.
Ay nga yan. Looks like Carabao come here often.
So I don't really understand why we came to this place. Let's ask Mana Samuel.
Ano man ini lugar?
I guess this is between heaven and earth. Yes, you can feel exhaustion of your feet. I will never come back again entire of my life.
Ini magiging sugad na.
Oh,
Wow.
can be used for wine.
May wine sulod.
Yeah, wine.
Paano?
So it turns out there was a reason we came out here after all.
Silot parato. Ato ka na ha YouTube. Pang hindi ako maiguhin lubi.
my place there plenty coconut. Now all finished by Yolanda. Okay, you can drink now.
Parasa mo nito.
Drink this.
Parasa. Adi ang tanan nga imo kinahanglan para mabuhi ka, no? May pagkaon, may tubig.
Masarang kita din. Ano, nasing pa daw ako nga din ito. Damong pungo pa din.
Okay.
Ako na lang usa.
Oh, grabe ano.
Okay. It now it. And then you will look younger. Your hair will become plenty.
And last of all, an invitation
Ang mga
from Boy
turista dapat
Blue.
magkadi. Boy Blue.
Well, they must come so that they will realize how sweet is this place. No toilet in this place. Toilet is not issue here. You can move your waste any place here. It is air conditioning.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is my crazy Filipino uncle. Stay tuned and subscribe for more craziness.
It's down here. This. You like to die? You like to die? Oh, okay. Okay.